Hey, all you backyard train fans, we're at the open house. It's October 25th. Willoughby Railroad. Got trains running, just waiting for guests to come check out the railroad. 2 trains running on the RailPro system. The USA F units, New York Central with the Aristocrat passenger train. And then we have a Bachmann big hauler that's also running with the RailPro, and some Bachmann coaches. So we're just kind of out here running things and checking stuff out. Got the town set up and all the buildings. Basically, it's just a dog bone configuration of the track. It's just a single track, and then there's a yard down the other end. We just walk down, we can look at some of the buildings in the town. Got a nice high-rise thing going here with a storefront. We have the train hotel. Okay. And then we have a little industrial siding here. It's a Pico shifter with some DuPont tank cars. It's using it as a repair facility. And then we're down on the other end of the town here. Looking around. Let me come back up the other end. And here's the other end of town. A couple hotels, a gas station. Yeah. And then come around here, we have a yard. And then we have the storage building, which all the trains are out right now. And I'll try to do a little more video maybe a little later on. So if not, I'll see you trackside.